Welcome to the Hard Research channel. Today I'll show you if the Samsung Galaxy A72 has screen recording or doesn't. So let's see. Scroll down from the top and scroll down again. Here it is, the screen recording option. Let's press it. And you can enable sound from the phone and from the mic here if you want to. Let's pick no sound. You can also enable show taps and touches. I'm not going to enable it. I'm just going to see if the screen is actually recording. Press start recording. There is a countdown. Move around your screen a little. Here you can pause and here you can stop. So let's see what we recorded. Let's open gallery. Here's our video. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the Hard Research channel for more videos. Leave a like in the comment, and goodbye.